I am Rama Madan. Can you guess what Michael Jordan, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Bill Gates all have in common? Sure, they are all successful beyond most people's wildest dreams. But more importantly, they all achieved success by following a similar strategy. They all had coaches who helped them accelerate their success and achieve their goals faster. If you were wondering, do I need a life coach? I am going to help you find the answer here. What does a life coach do? And why do I need a life coach? While life coaches vary in their expertise, abilities, and specialities, I can tell you for a fact that a life coach is not someone who has all the answers to everything, a superhuman who has access to knowledge that you don't, someone you hire to achieve your goals for you. If you see a coach making any of these claims, run in the opposite direction. Hiring a life coach because you believe that they have all of the answers and can solve your biggest problems for you is a recipe for disaster. Life coaches are simply professionally trained individuals who can see things that you can't, hold you accountable to your word, and help you achieve results faster. Think about Michael Jordan. Every year of his professional career, he had numerous coaches who helped him improve his game, overcome his weaknesses, and capitalize on his strengths. But were any of these coaches better at basketball than Michael? Of course not. So, his coach simply knew the game and he knew how to instruct Michael to have the right mindset and become a more powerful player. And a life coach is the same way. It's not that they are better at life than you are, it's simply that they can recognize patterns in your mindset, actions, and subconscious programming that you cannot. And because they can see these patterns, they can help you overcome them so you can achieve your biggest goals in life. When you have a coach, you are acting and living in full alignment to what you value in most in life and move closer every day towards the man you want to become. It's that simple. So, what are the signs that it might be time for you to hire a life coach? First, you feel unsure of your purpose in life. If you don't have a vision, you need to get a life coach. You have a huge vision, but you are unsure of how to achieve it. The only problem is that you've had the same vision and purpose since you were a kid, and 15-20 years later, no real progress has been made, and you don't know how to achieve the ambitions you've set. The life coach will put an end to talking about your vision and goals all day and help you turn them into a reality so you can live it. You have struggled to overcome the same addictions for years? Have you been stuck in an endless cycle of addictions for years? When you get a life coach, they will provide the heavy accountability that you need to break your addictions and finally achieve the freedom you've so desperately wanted. Your bedtime stories stop you from achieving your dreams? Why do I need a life coach image? I'm not good enough. There's too much competition. She does not want to date a guy like me. I was born poor, so this is just my destiny. It's genetics. There's nothing I can do about it. Someone will just steal my idea. If any of these statements sound familiar, then you need to hire a life coach. You are crippled by stress, anxiety, and depression. You want to shorten your learning curve and achieve success faster? Using a coach is a tool that will help you get to your destination faster than you ever wanted. You are a serial procrastinator. If you constantly find yourself cramming for tasks the day before the deadline, putting off things that are important, or struggling to make moves towards your goals until the last possible minute, then a life coach could be the best solution to your procrastination. You will shift your shoulds into musts, which changes the entire game. It's time to step up to the plate and stop playing small. If you need someone to hold you accountable, push you towards your greatness, and help you identify your blind spots, then it's time to invest in yourself. Hire a life coach and step into your greatness. It's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it. Do you want my help? If yes, feel free to contact me for personal sessions. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe.